Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to discuss the importance of one-on-one meetings in the maintenance and reliability sector. You may be surprised to learn that these meetings aren't standard practice in all departments. Yet, they hold the key to a more productive, satisfied, and successful team. Stick around as we dive into why these meetings matter, how often you should have them, and some practical tips for making the most of your one-on-one time. So if you're a maintenance manager or part of an operations team, you won't want to miss this insightful discussion. Let's get started. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. The most crucial part of one-on-one meetings, simply having them. You might be surprised to hear that these aren't standard practice for most maintenance departments, but skipping out on them can lead to negative consequences throughout your organization. So let's explore why they're so important. First and foremost, it's all about prioritizing your people. You might have the most efficient processes and the top-notch technology, but if your technicians are unhappy or unproductive, you've got a problem on your hands. As maintenance managers, it's crucial to carve out time to meet with each and every maintenance technician on a one-on-one basis. These private meetings send a clear message that your business values its people. It's the action that will solidify a people-focused vision or mission. These meetings are your golden opportunity to build a trusted, honest relationship with your technicians. But be careful not to get too caught up in tasks. This meeting should be a platform for your technicians to voice their questions, concerns, and problems. Your main goal here is to listen and then collaborate to find solutions. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty details. Industry experts recommend holding a one-on-one meeting for 1 hour each week. Make this meeting a priority. Respect the start and end times, and only cancel if absolutely necessary. If you work closely with certain technicians, or you both agree to meet less frequently because things are going well, feel free to adjust the schedule to suit your team. And don't forget to mix up the locations of your one-on-ones. Instead of meeting in your office every week, why not go out for coffee or take a stroll outside once in a while? Remember, this is a chance to connect with your technicians as fellow humans, not just cogs in a corporate machine. Before your meeting, ask your technicians to jot down agenda items in a shared Google document or via email. This gives you time to prepare. You could have some standing agenda items like progress towards key performance indicators or goals, career development progress, issues and problems, and so on. But remember, although it's helpful to start with some structure, your technicians might have their own preferences about what they want to discuss and how they want to discuss things with you. It's your job to listen. In the end, these one-on-one meetings can help you build a positive, engaging, and attractive corporate culture. With the labor market getting more competitive, these one-on-one meetings could be the key to retaining your top technicians. So, start scheduling those meetings and see the difference it makes in your team's morale and productivity. Thank you for watching this video. Today, we've covered the importance of one-on-one meetings in the maintenance and reliability sector, how to conduct them effectively, and their potential impact on your team's morale and productivity. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. For further resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.